Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're gonna open a jewelry jar. It better be good because I paid a lot of money for this. It was $39.99 and it is pretty small. So let's see what's inside. I see some pearls, possibly sweet water or saltwater pearls. I don't know the difference. I will have to check it out on the internet. So here we go. We're gonna open it. I hope I don't cut anything. Ooh, this is really tight. This is really tight. I see some bone possibly. Wow, somebody did a good job. There we go. Let's see what we have. There's a lot of necklaces. There we go. Everything on the table. Empty. Okay. Let's get this out of the way. So this is a pair of earrings. It's pretty light. It's kind of like a rose gold, but they need some cleaning and I see some signs of wear. It's pretty tarnished, so I'm not going to sell these. I will put it in a repurposing jewelry box. The next one is this beautiful seed bead necklace. And yes, this is bone. This is pretty heavy. It has some weight to it. This is also bone. And it has a very pretty color, like earth tones. And it does not show any signs of tarnishing. It is in good condition. Multi-strand necklace, very beautiful. Wow, very beautiful. We have another pair of earrings, metal and wood. This is pretty interesting. These are very beautiful and they're lightweight. So pretty. And this is the back. Adorable. Then we have a vintage bracelet which has some signs of tarnishing on the interior. And how did I cut myself? It has some golden studs, metal, and this is plastic. And it's some kind of metal on the interior. I would say this is a 7.5, 8. Another bracelet that has some rhinestones. They're all there. Looks in very good condition. It has some weight to it. Again, this would be a 7. For a 7-inch wrist. Very cute. Let's see, this is, yes, these are real pearls. Brownish color with a little bit of iridescence. And it has a lobster claw clasp that works fine. It has no extender. And I think these can be worn as a double strand as well. Wow, they're beautiful. They are beautiful. It has a slight iridescence. These alone will make my money back, I think. Sweet. Then we have a wooden necklace which is all tangled and I will need to work at it, but It is very intricate, I see. And it doesn't seem like it's broken or missing something. It has a hook, closure. It's just misshaped a little bit. And the beads are wood as well. It looks like it's handmade. Very pretty. Next up, we have a lightweight necklace with fabric beads, woven beads, but it looks like there is some damage on this. Maybe I can fix it with some glue. It's not that bad, but the beads are wood. And then we have some glass beads. And I don't think these are semi-precious stones, but this is pretty colorful and very ethnic looking. Next up, we have some coated paper beads. It has no closure. It's just a lightweight necklace. These are some lightweight bracelets. I don't think this is any kind of stone. Repurposing, some signs of wear. In the repurposing, this is a real shell. You can wear it on any side. This is beautiful actually. And this is some kind of a soft leather cord, but you can put this on anything really. You can just take it out and replace this. Beautiful, love it. What do we have here? Toggle clasp, just a plain, I don't think it's leather, but it has no signs of tarnishing. This is just a choker necklace with gold tone metal. Looks like it's in very good condition. I don't think it was worn, or if it was, not for very long. There is no brand on it. So this one is a real stone necklace. I don't know what kind, it's probably some kind of jasper. It feels cold to the touch and it's a really interesting stone. Wow. Again, this has no closure. This is like a pull over the head kind of necklace. I will put the measurements when I post this, but it looks like it doesn't need a clasp. So beautiful. It's like maroon color. Yeah, probably this is jasper. A pair of abalone earrings, very cute. Another shell necklace. This is really interesting with the wooden beads and a hook clasp. Very cute and summery for the beach. We have a hair. No, thank you. Beautiful for the beach, very bohemian looking and lightweight. Got a lot of necklaces. I was hoping for some kind of vintage something. Okay, this is another necklace, seed beads, like a bigger seed beads that are glass, and some shells I see over here, some kind of shells. And this is also an ethnic looking pull over kind of necklace. It does not have any closure, but some kind of thread, handmade here. Beautiful. Glass beads and shells. And the last necklace, this is probably ceramic or plastic. I really cannot tell. Do you have any chips in it? There's a little bit of scratching here. Maybe it's a men's necklace. I've seen in Survivor, they kind of wear these kind of oversized beads, the men. I'll sell it. Let's see. Another pair of earrings, wooden beads with an antique gold tone kind of looking. They're very light and very bohemian. And then I have a single earring. I don't know what happened to the other one, so repurposing. And I have a very sweet, very dainty little bracelet with plastic beads, little charms, like a mermaid, a little kid, and a flower, and a dolphin. It has a little bit of tarnishing. So I'm just gonna put it in the repurposing box because this is kind of prickly. I don't want anybody to get hurt because of me, so maybe somebody can repurpose this. So that's that. This is our jar. I'm going to post all these as soon as possible. I will put some measurements and some details. And please feel free to bundle if you like any of these, and I can work with you on a price. These ones are my favorite. I love pearls that are a little bit different than the regular pearls. So let's see how this is gonna perform. And then my next favorite is this bone necklace with the seed beads. Very beautiful. So that was it. Please let me know if you have any favorites, and I will link my closet in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this unjarring of jewelry. I will try to get more, but here in Vegas we don't find them as often. And as you saw, the one that I got has just a few things, but it's pretty expensive, $40. So I will be on the lookout for more jewelry jars, and I will do a video as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!